Hello students, in this class we are going to learn future tense. Okay, in the previous videos we discussed about present tense and past tense. Now in this video we are going to do the new part, future tense. Okay, first let us understand what is future tense. An action or state of being that has not taken place at the time of speaking. Okay, so what is future tense? State of being or an action that is not taken place at the time of speaking, and it is thought and it is predicted and it is expected that it will happen certain period of time in the future. Okay, so an action or state of being has not taken place at the time of speaking and is thought and predicted and expected to take place at a certain time in the future. Okay, so the action will happen in the future. It is not happening at the time of speaking, but it will happen certain period of time, after certain period of time. Okay, is thought, is prediction, some thought and expectations. Okay, will occur after certain period of time. That is what future tense. What is the structure? What will be structure for future tense? Subjective plus will or shall plus V1 is the structure for simple future tense. Subjective will or shall plus V1. So where do we use shall? Shall can be used for first person. Okay. For example here, I shall help you with your homework. Okay. I shall help you with your homework. So past, future, time of speaking, promise to help. Okay, promise to help, but the help can occur some certain period of time. After certain period of time, the help occur. So this can be referred by using simple future tense. I shall help you with your homework. Past, present, at the time of speaking, the action not happen. But the action happened certain period of time. So this can be referred by simple future. Some more examples. He will become engineer soon. Okay, he will become engineer soon. I shall finish this lesson by tomorrow. I shall finish this lesson by tomorrow. I will drop you home. Okay, so these are the examples for simple future tense. Simple future tense can be used to refer an action or state of being that has not taken place at the time of speaking, but it is expected, it is predicted, and it is thought that it will happen certain period of time. Okay, so an action or state of being that has not taken place at the time of speaking and is thought, is predicted, is expected to take place at a certain time in the future. Okay, certain time in the future. Okay, the action will happen in the future. That is what future tense is. Structure is very simple. Subject plus or will plus V1. So I shall help you with your homework. Past, future. At the time of speaking, action does not happen. Action happens some certain period of time. So this is this sentence referred by using simple future tense. Okay. So next we are going to learn future continuous tense. What is the definition for future continuous tense? How we would use that? An action that is expected to continue for some time in the future. An action that is expected to continue sometime future. An action that is expected to continue for some time in the future. That is what future continuous tense. What is the structure? Verb structure for future continuous tense is subjective plus shall be or will be plus verb plus ing. Okay, subjective plus shall be or will be plus verb plus ing is the structure for future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense? An action that is expected to continue for some time in the future. That is what future continuous tense structure. Subjective will be or shall be plus verb plus ing is the structure. Example. See, my sister will be studying from 7 to 9 in the evening. Okay. My sister will be studying. My sister subject will be studying. Will be studying. Okay. Verb structure. Will be plus verb plus ing. Okay. Study is the verb ing. Because this is continuous tense. Okay. Studying refers to that this is continuous tense. Will be. So, this is future continuous tense. Be studying. Continuous tense will refers to future. So, this is future continuous tense. My sister will be studying from 7 to 9 in the evening. So, specific time in the future. Okay. There are some time. 7 to 9 she will be studying. So, see, now 6 p.m. when she will be studying 7 to 9, the action will happen in the future and it will be continuing for some time. Okay? So now this is future. So the action will be continuing for some long time in the future. So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. the action will be happening, will be taking place. Okay? So action will start sometime in the future and will be going on for some long time. Okay? So we'll be studying from 7 to 9 in the evening. Okay, this is the example for future continuous. Some more examples. My mother will be joining her office tomorrow. Okay, my mother subject will be joining. Join is the action word. Join verb. Be joining continuous tense. Will be joining future continuous tense. So my mother will be joining her office tomorrow. Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. Okay, Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. So this is also future continuous tense. Seema subject, be sleeping, sleep verb, be plus verb plus ing, continuous tense, will future continuous tense. Will be sleeping when I reach home. For example, Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. For example, now. This is future. I reach home. Seema will be sleeping. See, now we are talking about the future. Okay, so who is the speaker? I reach home. When I reach home, Seema will be sleeping. Okay, Seema will be sleeping. The action will be continuing for some long time. An action that is expected to continue. Okay, here sleeping is an action. Okay, it is expected that this action to be continuing for some time in the future. See. Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. Okay, Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. Seema subject will be sleeping future continuous tense when I reach home. See, for example, now future. What is the action? Sleeping. Okay, so this action is continuing. Okay, action is continuing. See, expected to continue for some time in the future. Now this is future, so it is expected. Sleeping is expected to continue sometime in the future. Okay, when I reach home, I is the speaker. I am the speaker. In my point of view, when I reach home, Seema will be sleeping. Okay, some point of time, some particular time. This is what future continuous tense. Okay, so an action that is expected to continue for some time in the future. Subjective plus will be or subject plus verb plus ing is the structure for future continuous tense. Will be studying from 7 to 9. Sir, my sister will be studying from 7 to 9 in the evening. Example. So now action is going to be started at 7. Okay, it will be continuing for some long time. Example. My mother will be joining her office tomorrow. Seema will be sleeping when I reach home. Okay. So next is future perfect. What's the definition for future perfect? It refers to the completion of an action. Okay. So perfect refers to the completion of an action before another action in the future. Okay. So here future perfect talks about two future actions. Okay. Okay. So this refers to the completion of an action. Perfect. Okay. Refers to the completion of an action before another action in the future. See, before the examples, let us see the structure. Subject plus will have plus V3. Okay. So this is perfect tense, future perfect tense. So V3 will have V3 or shall have V3. Will have V3 or shall have V3 is the structure for future perfect example. By the end of next month, here on action, see, by the end of next month comes to an end. Okay, next month. By the end of the next month is going to end. Jessica will have left for her hostel. Jessica subject will have left. Okay, will have left. Have left. Perfect tense. Will refers to the future perfect tense. By the end of next month. So month has to end. Month should be ended. By the end of next month, Jessica will have left for the hostel. So both action has to happen in the future. See, refers to the completion of an action. Okay, refers to the completion of an action before another action in the future. What is future perfect? Completion of an action before another action in the future. That is what future perfect. Example, by the end of next month, the month has to be ended. The month when the month will be ended next month. Okay. By the end of next month, Jessica will have left for her hostel. So this action will have left happen before this action. Okay. This is completion of action. The action is going to be completed. Okay. Before this action. What is this action? By the end of next month. Next month has to be completed. Month to be completed. So before this action will have completed. Okay. Jessica will have left for that hostel. Leaving hostel is one action. Here ending the month. Okay. Ending the month is another action. So two actions. This action will happen later, but before this action would happen. Okay. So this is what future perfect. Example. See. Now future. Okay. So by the end of next month, here action one. Jessica will have left. Jessica will have left. Okay, Jessica will have left by the end of next month. Action 2 by the end of next month. So before this action have completed in the future. This is present. This future. Okay. Okay. Present, future. So two actions. One is by the end of next month. Month has to be ended. Okay, one action. Month has to be ended. Before that, one action that is also in the future, but this is completion, completed action. Okay, the action is completed. Will be completed. See, will have left. Okay, leaving hostel is one action. Ending the month is another action. Before the end of the next month, Jessica will have left. Okay. One more example you can say. By the end of 2022, we will have completed our 12th standard. See, by the end of 2022, we will have completed our 12th standard, which means ending of 2022, the action 2. Before that, you will have completed your 12th standard. Okay, you will have completed your 12th standard. That is what future perfect. So future perfect also we are talking about two actions. Okay, one is ending the time, another one is before completed action. Okay, completion of an action. This is the definition. Completion of an action before another action in the future. Okay, that is what future perfect tense. It is very simple to use, but it makes you, it looks like complicated, but it is not that, not like that. It is so easy to understand. See, by the end of 2022, we will have completed our 12th standard, which means ending 2022 is one action. Completion of your 12th standard is another action. So this action is 2. Okay, second action. Okay, completion of 2022. We will have completed our 12th standard before that. Okay, so by the end of 2022, we will have completed our 12th standard. This is what future perfect tense. Next we will be studying about future perfect continuous tense. So next future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. What is future perfect continuous tense? A longer action at a particular time in the future. Okay. So future perfect continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense is a longer action. Even future continuous tense is a longer action at particular time in the future. Okay. Longer action in the future. That is what future perfect continuous tense. Okay. So future perfect continuous tense denotes an action that started before and will continue through longer period of time in the future. Okay. So the action started before and the action will continue through longer period of time in the future. Now at the time of speaking, the action is not happened. But the actions will start in the future. Okay. And this action will be going through some long time. And it will be moving on, going. Okay. That is what future perfect continuous tense. What is the structure for future perfect continuous tense? Subject plus will have been or shall have been plus verb plus ing is the structure for future perfect continuous. Subject will have been or shall have been plus verb plus ing is the structure for future perfect continuous. Example: Mr. Dubey, subject will have been working. Verb structure. Okay, will have been or shall have been working. Verb plus ing in our school. Okay, this is the example for future perfect continuous. Mr. Dubey will have been working in our school. Okay, that is how the future perfect continuous ends.